What's neat about this Vanair system is we got the main line from the Vanair compressor coming into my trailer, which tees off into my balancer and my tire machine, with another main line going out to the shop so I can service all our vehicles with the same line, and also have a tire filler station here so I can manage the tire pressures before balancing them, all in one system. My name is Mike Martin. I work at Santan Ford. I'm the shop foreman. I've been working Ford for 30 years. I took on the fleet mobile repair program. It all started off by just going out to these fleet companies and doing all their recalls. Once we got there on site and doing these recalls, we just looked around and realized that there's a lot more to just doing recalls. Oil changes are overdue. Tires, maintenance has been lack of maintenance on some of these vehicles. So that's kind of how we evolved getting this mobile program going. You know, the biggest advantage of that Vanair system is the equipment that's involved in that truck with the air compressor system. All that stuff that's involved is all in one unit, and it's very compact and it's very user-friendly when you get to these mobile sites. Being battery operated versus, you know, gas operated, a lot quieter, a lot, you know, taking less room in the back of that truck. A lot of these sites, we'll go there for 12 hours at a time and never have an issue. Some of the job sites we go to, we're working on 30 vehicles at a time. I got a 3-man crew with me. It's not like we're going to one site and going from house to house. We go to these sites and we're staying on location for up to 12 hours sometimes. Well, one of the biggest challenges once COVID hit, everybody was crying for help. So I think that if you contact these fleet companies, they don't have time to get one of their customers to your and spend 3-4 hours or even a day or two to try to get one of these recalls. If you can prove to them that you can come to them and maintain their vehicles at the same time, it's a win-win for both of us. And I'll tell you, that Vanair system is pretty neat.